Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia, and today I'm coming to you guys with a sultry brown eyes with some glitter liner. And you guys, can you tell this look is amazing? So if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Keep watching. Hi guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prime our eyes, and I'm using the ColourPop Cosmetics concealer in 1050. So we're gonna place it all over our eyelids, and we're gonna blend that out using our damp beauty blender. And I've done my eyebrows off camera just because it takes a lot of time and I wanted this video to be quick and easy. Now that that's all blended out, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder and I'm just going to set that area where the concealer is, just so that the shadow won't crease or it won't slide all over the place. Now I'm going to take my Morphe 15 Days of Slay. I'm going to go in with that orange looking color in the crease, and I'm just gonna put that for my transitioning color, and we're just gonna blend that upwards. Now I'm gonna go in with Define. I'm just gonna put that right underneath that transitioning color just to give it a little bit more warmth, and we're just gonna blend that right into that transitioning color. We're gonna go in with some of Sweet and some of Mauve mixed together. We're gonna put that on our lids, and we're just gonna blend that out, make sure everything looks real good. So guys, I wasn't all that feeling that brown on the lid, so I went in with my Dare to Create palette from Morphe, and I went in with the color Mask, and I just placed that right over the color that I did before on my lid. And I think, yeah, this is the color that I like. It's more it has a more chocolatey look to it, so I prefer that color. Now that we have our shadow blended, I'm just gonna take my NYX liquid matte black liner. I'm just gonna create a wing, you guys. I did my other eye off camera just to make this video a little bit shorter for you guys, but it's really easy. So we're just creating this liner, and then we're gonna add some glitter to our liner, and I got these glitters off Amazon. So first I'm gonna use this orange tone. It's like a orange, or should I say brassy? I'm not sure. I'm gonna use this orange glitter. I'm gonna place that on top of the black liner that I did. You guys, I wasn't feeling this orange glitter at all. It wasn't speaking to me. You guys, I had to do something, so I went ahead and I placed some gold glitter on top of that orange glitter, and I think I prefer this look better. You guys, let me know what you think in the description, in the comment section below. Oh my god. So guys, we're gonna leave our eyes for a moment and go on to our face. And I'm using this NYX Angel Veil primer. I'm just putting that all over my face and massaging it into my skin. Now for my highlight, guys, I like to take some lighter color highlight and put it right underneath my eyes, and that I use the ColourPop Cosmetics in 1050. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place some fawn below that just to give me that yellow undertone. I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender, and it's damp. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that concealer out as much as possible, guys, because you know blending is key. I have my foundation routine up, you guys, on my channel. I'll definitely link it in the description bar below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Also, guys, it's now time for our foundation, and today we're using the Fenty Beauty foundation, and then this shade is in 420. It's a little bit lighter on camera, but it's definitely my shade. You guys, I so love this foundation because it's really lightweight and it's just awesome. So after we place the foundation on our face and neck, we're gonna go with our damp beauty blender sponge and just dab all over our face just to make the foundation more seamless. So guys, for contour, I'm taking this contour stick from Fenty Beauty line, and it's in the shade Espresso. And guys, this is so creamy. It's so super pigmented, like this is life. I think this has to be my favorite. So I'm just taking this small contour brush to blend it out. Now that's blended, it's time for our setting powder, and I'm using the Sacha Buttercup to set my highlights. So I'm just pressing this into my skin. I'm not allowing it to bake just because in the winter time I get really dry, and the Sacha Buttercup is also dry as well. Well, I think. Do not come for me, guys. So after that is done, I'm gonna set the rest of my face using this MAC mineralized powder in deep, and I'm just going all over my face, even a little bit onto the highlighted areas well. Whoa, get that hair out the way, girl. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead with this Revlon Nearly Naked powder in medium and deep, and I'm just gonna go over my highlighted areas with this, so that whenever I take pictures or anything, I won't get a flashback. To set my contour area, guys, I'll be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go with my Milani Baked Powder Blush in number 2, Rose d'Oro. And this, guys, is so awesome. Like, it can be like a blush highlight on its own, you know, but you know how we roll, we like to be highlighted to the gods. So I'm gonna take my Artist Couture in Gold Digger, and I'm just gonna highlight my higher points of my face. Now that we're all set and highlighted, I went off camera and I did my lashes, you guys. Yeah, it would be so difficult to do it on camera. But now I am going in with that same gold glitter that's on my wing liner, and I'm just putting a little bit of that in my tear duct area just to give me that extra bling bling. You know what I'm saying? So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spray my face, set my face with this Max Fix Plus. Now I'm gonna go ahead with this liner from MAC. It is Chestnut, and then we're gonna go and put our lips on, girl. We're gonna use the Fenty Plush Matte Lipstick in Up to No Good. But first, let me just get some highlight on my Cupid's area, because you know we love the glow. Glow to the gods, we say. don't mind me. Yes, so we're just using this lipstick, and guys, I'm so in love with this. And you guys, I love nudes. I love nudes. Let me just stop rambling. Okay, so next what we're gonna use after this, I'm just gonna put some of that Fenty Glow Gloss Balm on top of that, just to give me that nice plumpy lips, although I already have plumpy lips. So you guys, I thought that this lip gloss would be like regular shegula, but actually it's bomb. It's a great lip gloss, you know, lip balm, you know what I mean? But we're done, guys. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for staying with me. Yeah, so we just have this brown eyes with glitter liner. I use two types of liners. I got these liners, these glitter liners from Amazon. I link it in the description bar below. But yeah, it's really simple, really easy, and it's very pretty. I think I'm loving this look. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Bye guys, until next time.